I liked it when it was long. I mean this. I liked it when it was still long because now I look worse than before. Okay, I'm gonna get made fun of again. You could have at least cut it just a tiny piece.
Because he doesn't know what these people are up to. Because they don't give clear enough indication of the intentions of what they want to do. And this is the way congestion gets created. Because you want to pass them to get into your turn lane and then they pull away with their hazards on. Then I become the idiot that blocks the traffic for getting around parked cars that's dropping the children off. Why am I getting hooted at? It's because of the idiots.